Turned off the camera somehow. Anyway. Okay, I'm on my journey again. I'm going to go across the street over there. I'm going to cut down past somewhere over there on the road, and I'll travel down the back roads. So anyway, here I go. I'm going to start her up. Maybe pull the choke a little bit. All right, here we go. Cars coming. This sure is fun. Be cool if someone could be riding right down there doing the video for me. Maybe we'll do that sometime. Wait here for a second for the traffic to clear up. Quite a bit of traffic here. Gonna go down that street right there. Still waiting. All right, here we go. driving the lawnmower. It's fun. I'm gonna go mow the yard here in a bit. Got to be careful flipping this thing around. I'll turn the screen off and won't even know it. I'll be talking to the phone and it won't even be taking no pictures. There's the storage place back there where you guys had your stuff. Driving with my knees. Having a great day. Gonna start my walking again here real soon. Yeah, it's pretty cool. There's that feed place where I get my dog food. I guess they're not open today. Right over there is where the Sonic used to be, somewhere over here. I guess on the next road, or maybe already passed it. Out riding around. I don't know if you can hear me because I got the loud lawnmower behind me. I point it down a little bit, that way you don't see too much sky. I'll take a shortcut. Not a shortcut, but just a different way. We've all walked this direction. Nice house. Kind of big old yard there. Got to check behind me every now and then, make sure there's no cars. I could go faster, but there's no need to. I'm enjoying the ride. Lots of clover. Nice looking pink tree over there. A lot of wood stacked up there. Yeah, you guys have walked this way many times. So far it's 10 minutes and 52 seconds. One hand turn here. Lost your cell phone down that street. That's when we started getting into the better ones. Someone stole that sucker because they were making calls clear across town. We fixed that, we canceled the phone. Coming up to a stop sign here, and I've got to obey the law. So I'll come to a stop and look both ways, and we'll go for it. I am a motorized vehicle, so I have to obey the laws. Normally a car would have passed me by now, but I'll see that once I get up here near the park on that road. They'll start passing me then. But that ain't no problem. They can just go around me. Looks weird, those trees do. All the limbs are pointed straight up. Okay, here's some cars. Got a garage sale going on over there. Nice weather. New sidewalk that they put in. No cars that way, no cars that way. Planting grass over there where they made that new sidewalk. There they go, passing me now. Maybe we'll go to that church when you guys come down. There's the park over there. I'm going to start my walks back there again, then all these streets all around here. Just go, go, go. It was 1 1/10 miles to Kevin's house, and I loved every minute of it. I thought, wow, it's already over. It only took me around 13 minutes to get there. Nice park. It's not like Jackson Park or Warnock Lake or Lewis and Clark or the Missouri River or all that good stuff. Just a normal old park. But I do have creeks here, and we need to go swimming pretty soon. So kind of surprised only one car has passed me the whole time. Trailer park over there. They've really been clearing some land around here. They cleared all the land around back behind my house, and it's kind of irritating because now I see all kinds of cars and headlights shine on my house at nighttime. Across the street over there, they were clearing all that out. For what reason, I do not know. Hopefully no one will be moving there. They're clearing all this out right here too. Must be the city or something doing all this. Kind of looks better. Look at that creek. That water's always going. That's a creek. Not big enough to swim in, but it's a creek. Well, I'm coming up to my street. As you can see over there, if you can see, where they've cleared out all that, those trees and all that scrub brush. Coming up my road now. The pup is outside on the leash, so she'll be happy to see me. I'll let her off when I get here. They sold that concrete place there, or doing something with it. That may be why they're clearing all this land. They got a big old ditch dug there for some reason. So this ain't too bad. Only had 2 cars go past me the whole time I've been coming, except when I was trying to cross the main road up there. Got somebody coming up behind me. That makes 3 cars. And they're speeding. They need to be going a little bit slower. Start cutting over here. Once I get here, I'm going to go ahead and go inside for a minute. I'm going to upload this video and mow the yard. I'll do a little video of me mowing the yard too. See how the yard looks like it needs to be cut big time. I put up those reflectors so you'll be able to see to come into the driveway next time. There's Miss Puppy over there. That's my ride from my son's house, Kevin's house, to my house. And that was pretty fun. Like I said, next time I do that, somebody can sit right down there on that deck while I'm driving, or whomever, and then you can do the video while I'm doing the driving. Or if you're doing the driving, that's cool too, because I know both of you guys know how to drive that lawnmower. I'm gonna let Miss Puppy off her chain and see what she does here. Hold on, Puppy, hold on. See, she's ready to go. Let me get that off of you. Watch her go running. Go. Oh, I'm sorry, Puppy. She tripped on herself. Go, 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 go. She loves running. Look at that. Get that stick. Get it, Puppy. What you doing, huh? What you choking on? What you choking on? I walk this yard and see if I got any sticks in here. She's honking like a goose. She is a silly goose. That dog is a silly goose. Get this old stick out of here. So, put her over here in my wood pile. This yard is awfully soft. All these moles I have here. I sure wish they weren't in my yard. So, anyway, I'll walk the backyard here a little bit and check out for big sticks and stuff. I need to get my little leash up there so I don't run over it and wrap it up in the blades. Let me get her unhooked here. So, got that unhooked. So I'm going to put this up on the porch and I'm going to upload this video. And so, come on, pup, let's go. I'm going to let her get some water since she's been outside for a little bit. But it's not like she's thirsty or nothing. But anyway, I'm going to upload this video and I'll let you know what happens. See ya!